Discover woodworking, wellness, and wildlife. Welcome to a world where creativity meets craftsmanship. Our channel is your gateway to mastering the art of woodworking. Whether you're a beginner or an artisan, find inspiration in our projects that blend traditional techniques with modern flair to create stunning handmade treasures. Nature holds the keys to better health, and we're here to share them with you. Dive into tips on harnessing natural remedies and wellness practices rooted in nature. Learn how to use herbs, essential oils, and other natural elements to enhance your overall well-being. Australia is home to some of the world's most fascinating wildlife, and we're excited to bring them to you. Meet iconic native animals and uncover their intriguing lives. Discover their habitats, understand their challenges, and learn how you can contribute to their conservation. Are you passionate about woodworking, wellness, or wildlife? Subscribe to our channel and become part of a community that values creativity and nature. Engage with our content, share your own experiences, and embark on a journey to enrich your life through sustainable practices. Let's craft a better future together.